Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Buick Enclave. Stock number is 18F183A. Starting right away up front, you have a waterfall chrome grille. It adds a very sharp feel. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have dual sunroofs. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Enclave is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Enclave on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.